Hello YouTube. Tonight I'm going to try a new pellet burner that I built for my rocket stove. First one I built was this one here. It worked good, but after a while it plugs up with ash, so I had to clean it, which is not good. The second one I built was this one here. The heat was about 600 degrees in my rocket stove here, but after about an hour I had ash about quarter of the way, a third of the way up, so it lost temperature. So I made this one here. It's a design that Trying Too Hard wants to build for his Dino V rocket stove, and so I like the design, so I thought I tried it. The plate here is got holes, 3/8. I put as many as I could, and the end's got a baffle there. Well, it's a pellet diverter, and the complete burner is from here to the end here. It's 9 inches, and I have a 2x2 inch pellet entrance, which is the same thing he's using, so I'm going to try that. Well, I'll put it in the stove and light it up. Well, I just light it up. By the way, this is a good draw. A couple of pellets fell in the bottom, but they light up right away. Now, put the glass on top just to see what was going on inside. I just so you can see, my stove is cold. I do have a good draw. Now I did not put a cone at the end of the pipe for now. I wanted to test a straight pipe. As you can see, the end of the pipe. I want to test what the straight pipe would do. I put about I don't know, hard to see there on the light here. It's a gallon of pellet, just to see how long it would burn. Now this is just standard glass, 1/4 inch thick. I used it before and didn't break. Doesn't get that hot up where it is, but I'm gonna let the stove warm up for a good 15 minutes there, and I'll be back. I'll see what temperature the stove is at that time, but just to let you hear, show you that it's hot, and there's a very good draw. Hope that comes out good on the video. On the flames. There. When the pellet drops, the flame increase. And only been on for about 5 minutes. And already I'm up to 150. Oh, that's heating up good. This thing works great. And the little dyno-V, it's gonna bring it red hot. I don't know if you heard the pellet drop, but as soon as the pellet drops, the draft increases a lot. Curious to see it burn with a cone at the end. Just not sure how big of a cone I should, how much I should restrict the airflow. Advise me on. The burner is right here, so it goes about here, and this is a good, down there is a good 14 inches, and the flame past that. That little dyno-V stove of yours, you're going to have flame coming out of the chimney. And with the draft, everything is full towards the inside of the stove. The ashes just fall right into the stove. No ash fall at the bottom. A couple of burning pellets, but we'll be going shortly. Well, it's been an hour since I started. There. Flame's still going strong. I got, let's see, but I do have some pellet left. That was a gallon of pellet, gallon US. This quantity. So I know that a bag like that has got 8 gallons in it. I know I measured. And right now I am at 425 degrees on top of the stove. This is a big stove, so smaller stove would probably get hotter. Now, sometime this week I will try to make a reducer for the end of a nozzle for the end of the pipe. And one thing, after an hour of burning, I got no ash. Everything is full right into the stove, right at the end of the pipe, which means that probably not going to see it on this here, but there is a little accumulation of, there's a little pile of ash at the end of the burn pipe, burn tube. And tonight there's no wind at all outside. Well, this is actually my second test today. This afternoon I tested, and I had actually it went up to 460 degrees, but it was windy, so I had a better draw this afternoon. The camera, for some reason, did not want to work this afternoon, so I had to redo the test tonight. So I hope this information is useful for you trying too hard. And if you have any question or comment, please leave them below. Thank you very much for watching.